guys, it's Yvonne with Chess Made Fun, where we are making chess fun for everyone. And today we're going to talk about the top 5 mistakes parents make when teaching your child how to play chess. Top mistake number 5, not teaching your child chess notation. Chess notation is extremely easy for children to learn and pick up on. Teach them notation as soon as possible. Yes, teach them how all the pieces move and how to checkmate, capture, and attack. But after they've played a couple games of chess and they've kind of caught on to the basics of it, teach them chess notation. The 4th most common mistake parents make when teaching their children how to play chess is not teaching them checkmate properly. I can't tell you how many times I have played against a child who tries to capture my king. Checkmate is very difficult for children to understand. It's very complicated, but as long as they understand how the game ends, they will know how to play chess better, and their game will start to improve. So make sure you teach checkmate properly. Mistake number 3, not letting your child win at chess. I can't tell you how many times I hear, "Oh, I play chess with my dad all the time. I lose every game." Or, "Man, my mom wins every time we sit down and play chess." There's no better way to discourage your child from playing chess than to not let them win at chess. And it's very, very difficult for them to understand checkmate if they don't know how to checkmate. So take a step back. I know we're very competitive people, but let your child win at chess sometimes. The 2nd most common mistake parents make when teaching their child how to play chess is teaching them how all of the pieces move and how to checkmate in one sitting. That's a lot for a child to comprehend. If you haven't already, check out our other videos, how to play the pawns game, how to play the knights game. It'll show you how these pieces move individually, or it'll give you games for them to play individually with these pieces, which are the most complicated pieces for them to learn. And once they know how to play the pawns game and can win at it, and once they know how to play the knights game and can capture the beats, then introduce the other pieces slowly. The number 1 mistake parents make when teaching their child how to play chess is waiting too long to teach them how to play chess. I've heard over and over again, "Oh, well, when my child is 10 years old, I'm going to teach them how to play chess." Or, "I can't wait till my child turns 12 so they can learn how to play chess." Children's minds are amazing. They can learn as young as 2 years of age. There's a great book called Chess is Child's Play that has a whole chapter on how to teach your 2 to 4-year-old how to play chess. Teach them young. You'll be just blown away by their ability. Thanks for tuning in to the top 5 mistakes parents make when teaching their child how to play chess. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to like our channel, Chess Made Fun. Check out our other videos, especially if you're teaching your child how to play chess, on how to play the pawns game and the knights game. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can contact us at eve@chessmadefun.com. That's EVE@chessmadefun.com. Hope you have a wonderful